वेलकम विथ न्यू टॉपिक नो नाइदर नन। ओके, ऑल दीज वर्ड्स हम कहाँ यूज करते हैं? ओके, नो मीन्स नॉट एनी, नॉट वन, नॉट ए, एंड नन मीन्स not any, not one, not a, or neither means not any and not the other. Okay, this is the negative words. Okay, no, none, neither, or no, none and neither, ये words हम कहाँ use करते हैं? Okay, let's see one by one. No is an adjective. No ये जो words है adjectives है, and there it must be followed by a noun. और ये हमेशा noun को ही follow करता है, noun के बाद आता है, noun को इसके therefore it must be followed by a noun. Okay, and then neither and none, ये pronouns है, neither and none ये pronouns है, and they refer to a noun used before or after. ओके, मीन्स ये नन और नाइदर ये नाउन और प्रोनाउन है, और ये हमेशा नाउन को ही यूज किया जाता है, बिफोर नहीं तो पहले, नहीं तो बाद में आ जाता है। नाइदर इज यूज फॉर टू थिंग्स, नाइदर ये दो चीजों के लिए यूज किया जाता है, एंड नन इज यूज फॉर मेनी, नन ये बहुत सारे चीजों के लिए यूज किया जाता है। ओके, लेट्स सी हियर, नाइदर मीन्स नॉट either and none means not any. Okay, take example, इन सब के हम एक एक एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे। I have no book to read. I have no book to read. यहाँ पे देखो, no is an adjective, therefore it must be followed by a noun. देखो, book यहाँ पे noun है, इसीलिए यहाँ पे no is followed by noun. यहाँ पे I have no books to read. ओके, यहाँ पे नो आ गया। None of the guests want to stay. None of the guests want to stay. अभी none means none is used for many. None is used for many. Okay, and neither and none ये noun and pronoun है। Noun या none of the guests, यहाँ पे person यानी noun भी आ जाएगा, किसी व्यक्ति का नाम, और ये means none of the guests want to stay, है ना? यहाँ पे none आ गया, यानी कोई भी नहीं। एंड either of the boys knows the way, यहाँ पे either देखो, हम either भी कहा कि neither is used for two things, दो चीजों के लिए हम neither भी यूज किए थे। neither of the boys know the way. ओके, और इस तरह से हमें no, neither, none ये इसका सेंटेंस में कैसे यूज करना है ये हम देखेंगे। Once again, no means not any, not one, not a. None means not any, not one, not a होता है। Neither means not any, not the other. No is used adjectives, therefore it must be followed by a noun. Neither and none are pronouns, they refer to a noun used before or after. Then neither is used for two things, okay, and none is used for many. बहुत सारे इसलिए none यूज किया जाता है। Neither means not either, none means not any, and I have no books to read. None of the guests want to stay. Neither of the boys know the way. Okay, more examples are given in your book. Let's see one by one. Let's see exercise number 19. Rewrite the following no sentence in the not and any form. Okay, let's see. I have no more money. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? I don't have any more money. The hen has laid no eggs today. The hen has no laid any eggs today. The poor little boy has no shoes to wear. The poor little boy doesn't have any shoes to wear. The cook has put no salt in the cabbage. The cook hasn't put any salt in the cabbage. There is no sugar in the house. There is not any sugar in the house. There are no apples on the tree. There are not any apples on the tree. I want no more thank you. I don't want any more thank you. They will do no more work. They won't do any more work. I will give it to nobody. I won't give it to anybody. I can see my hat now, however I can't see my hat anywhere. There was nobody in the garden. There wasn't anybody in the garden. There was nothing left. There wasn't anything left. He gave me nothing to drink. He didn't give me anything to drink. My uncle can see nothing without glasses. My uncle can't see without glasses. Okay, look here, exercise number none of these books. I haven't read any of these books. I have read neither of these books. I haven't read either of these books. She likes none of these dolls. She doesn't like any of these dolls. She likes neither of these dolls. She doesn't like either of these dolls. She could answer none of the questions. She could answer any of the questions. She could answer neither of the questions. She could answer either of the questions. He will speak to none of them. He won't speak to any of them. He will speak to neither of them. He won't speak to either of them. Okay, let's see example exercise number 21. यहाँ पे give short form negative answer to the following question. First is given है ना, how many exercise have you done today? None is given. Okay, let's see second. From second. Okay, how much did this flower cost? Nothing. Where has she given? Nowhere. Okay. Who won this morning? Nobody. How many mangoes will you give me? None. What do they want? Nothing. Which of these books have you read? Neither. Okay. And who told you to do that? Nobody. What are you thinking about? Nothing. Okay. And where did you go last night? Nowhere. How many of these are mine? None. Okay. And which clothes of this pair has a hole? Neither. And which of these two girls is your sister? नाइदर. ओके, इस तरह से हमारे ये 13 लेसन कंप्लीट होता है, चैप्टर कंप्लीट हो रहा है. यू हैव टू सॉल्व योर ऑल एक्सरसाइज इन योर नोटबुक.